Hey there, content creators. If you're struggling to turn your long-form videos into viral-worthy clips for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, let me introduce you to Klap.app, the AI-powered tool that makes video editing effortless. Imagine this. You've got a 1-hour podcast or vlog, but you need short, engaging clips to grab attention on social media. With Klap, all you have to do is upload a video or paste a YouTube link, and the magic begins. Its intuitive interface is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. So let's try converting a long video into shorts and see how it works. We've selected a video from the eduonics library. It's around 7 minutes long, and we'll use Klap to turn it into multiple short clips. You can paste the YouTube link, or alternatively, upload a file directly. After that, you'll be asked to select the type of reel or short you want to generate. We'll go with the classic format and keep the deviation setting on auto, allowing the system to determine the best cuts. We'll set the output to portrait format and proceed to generate the shorts. It takes a few minutes to process, so let's wait for it to finish. Okay, our shorts are almost done. Just about 99% processed now. Once it's complete, we'll be able to edit them as needed. You can see it has generated 7 shorts for us. The first one is about 3 minutes long, the second is 30 seconds, and the third is around 1 minute and 16 seconds. The system has automatically created clips based on the content and context of the video. It also provides a transcript, which is super helpful. And one of the most interesting features, in addition to the virality score and transcript, you have several other options, such as publishing the clip, downloading the HD version, or editing it. Let's quickly review the editing features, which you can also use to fine-tune your reels. As you'll notice, there are multiple options available in the editor. First, we have the Style tab, which offers several default presets. You can choose from options like Classic or RGB, depending on what fits your content best. These presets can also be further customized to suit your needs. For this walkthrough, I've selected the default option. Next, there's the Media tab. This section includes the content you've uploaded, along with any media that's already been imported from YouTube into the editor. You'll see all your video assets listed here. Moving on to the Trim option, it allows you to shorten, expand, or rearrange sections of the script. It's a flexible tool that makes editing intuitive and precise. One of my favorite features is the Crop tool. It lets you define the visible portion of the screen. You can manually adjust the framing by dragging the focus area to highlight exactly what you want the viewer to see. For example, if you want to center a speaker or highlight a product, you can do that easily here. Then there's the Captions tab, where you can modify the text that appears on screen. You can play back the video as you make edits to ensure everything aligns properly. After making your edits, you can either download the HD version or publish it directly from the platform. It's all very seamless. Once you're done, the platform reflects all your changes and the output adjusts accordingly. What's great is that this tool is incredibly user-friendly. It requires absolutely no prior training, and you can be up and running within just 30 minutes. So I really encourage you to explore it, try things out, and enjoy creating impactful short-form content. Thank you.